Welcome to a quick look at how records flow through Insightly CRM. Understanding this process is key to managing your customer journey, from initial contact to project completion. Everything starts with a lead. A lead is a potential contact who hasn't yet been qualified as a real business opportunity. It's the perfect place to capture information from new inquiries, website forums, or networking events. After a lead meets your specific qualification criteria, you can easily convert it. Converting a lead automatically creates three distinct but linked records: a contact, an organization, and an opportunity. Contacts are the people you communicate with. Organizations are the companies they work for. Opportunities represent your potential business deals or projects. These records are all connected, giving you a complete view of the relationship. When you win a deal, your opportunity evolves into a project. This is how you manage the work that comes after the sale. The new project automatically inherits all of the relevant information and history from the opportunity, making for a seamless transition. And that's the core object flow in Insightly. From a new lead to a completed project, Insightly helps keep all your information connected and easy to manage.